Chapter 2. Tips and Tricks. Over the years, desperate parents have gotten inventive to try and get results from potty training. Here are 10 tips and tricks from experienced parents who testify that these really worked for them. They may or may not work for you, but it's worth a shot. 1. Pick a song. There are various potty training tools out there, including videos and songs. Pick a song and sing it when it's time to go to the bathroom. Not only will a fun song make your child more excited about potty training, it will also create a signal for them that it's time to go. 2. Bathroom books. Try finding a few books that your child really likes and designate them bathroom books. Your child can only read them when sitting on the potty. Not only will this give them an incentive to go to the bathroom, it will also keep them sitting on the potty longer. Chemistry. There are lots of ways to make peeing fun. There are special training potties that react to urine. Some will have pictures in the bowl that will change color or shape. Others play music when something hits the surface. If you don't want to buy an expensive potty, you can make your own. Dye the toilet water red or blue. When the urine mixes with it, it will turn orange or green. Simple, but kids love it. 4. Treats. Any experienced parent will tell you that bribery works. Have a treasure chest, box, or bag with inexpensive toys or treats on hand. Anytime your child uses the potty, they get to pull something out of the treat bag. 5. Reward system. Similar to the treats, but with bigger payoffs. Instead of giving them a treat every time they go, put up a sticker chart on the bathroom wall. Every time they go, put a sticker on their chart. Every time they get enough stickers to complete a row, take them to the toy store and let them pick something out. Extra tip. Bowel movements are often harder than peeing. Give them 2 or even 3 stickers for a successful BM. 6. Flushing. It's important to teach your child to flush after using the potty. As an added bonus, most kids find pulling the little lever and watching the water swirl around the bowl fun. Really play up flushing and make it clear that they are only allowed to flush after using the potty. 7. Use underwear. As parents, it can be very tempting to leave your kids in diapers or pull-ups until they are fully potty trained. It makes cleanup of accidents much easier, but it also makes accidents less uncomfortable for your kids. Trying to avoid wet underwear is a great incentive to go potty. 8. Underwear as a reward. Yes, 7 and 8 contradict each other. Remember, different things work for different kids. If your child is having frequent accidents, try putting them back in pull-ups for a day or even several days. Tell them that they can wear underwear again once they go for a set period of time without an accident. They'll want to prove that they're grown up enough to get their real underwear back. 9. Positive reinforcement. If you're against bribing your kids, it's amazing what you can accomplish with just singing their praises. Give them your undivided attention, and heaping on the positive reinforcement when they use the potty will have great results. 10. Make it easy. Many children have trouble climbing up to the training potties that sit on top of toilets. Find one that sits right on the floor to start, and put it somewhere easy for your child to get to. Over time, you can work your way up to sitting on the big toilet. Bonus tip. When out and about with your young child, many of them find the automatic flushers in public restrooms frightening. If you put a Post-it note over the sensor, it will stop the toilet from flushing before you are ready. Just make sure you remember to pull it off when you're all done.